Okay, dear student, we will make two video. One is for the font group of under home tab. Another one is for alignment. So there will be two different video. So though this thing is very common to you, but still I am making a video for my few students who are not that much familiar with Word or Excel. Okay, so under font there are some common. So already I have made a template for showing it. So first check it, the font. Okay, so this is the font. Normally what if you just write the font, write anything, there will be a by default font. Okay, you will show a default font, but you can change it, the font type, from here. So for example, here is font Calibri. Here I have changed, that is Arial. Here I change, that is Times New Roman. So you can change it from here as well as from from here. It will show that you can change the font. Okay, so I'll come this thing later. And then another thing, that is font size. Okay, so from just clicking the mouse, you can change the font size from mini ribbon. Okay, so font as well as font size. Now see the different font size. It is 18, then 9, then 14. So you change it from here or from here. Even there are some shortcut for doing this. So next one is, that is the bold, italic, and underline. So you can do it from here, or even you can use the shortcut. Okay, so there I will provide you a shortcut note. You will see that in that shortcut. Okay, so the font, then font color shortcut. Now come to the another thing, that is fill color. So what is fill color? So it is kind of a background color. So if you just uh, uh, give command control P, then you will see what you'll see. In some pages the background is white and no background, and in some here you can see the different background color. So what I did, I just changed the background color from here. Okay, so you can change the background color here. So these are the some standard color, these are the theme color. Moreover, you can use the RBC for making for changing the color. Okay, so I you can see there are three color. You can make multiple color. Then come to the font color. Okay, so from here you can uh, change the font color. So or you can change it from here by clicking it. This is the font color. Okay, now after font color, after all this thing, another important thing under the font group, that is the border. So what is border? So this is border. So here by default you can see the bottom border. So you can by if you click here, then you can see the different options of border color. So you can do it for a single cell or even for a range of cell. Okay, so I will show in another class that how to use for a good for a table or a range. Okay, so if you select it, then if you click it, then you can see there is a color. The this line become more tricky, so it become a color. So you can understand it better by print preview. So you can see there are some cell or some table that you can see it. Okay, so how is it possible? Because of the font color. Sorry, because of the border. So again, the same way, just see here you can see the different example. The top, if you select the top, then left. Okay, I'm showing it here. So just if you use the bottom, then both, as I have select these two cell, it become the bottom line become bordered. Then at the same way top, the same way you can do it separately as well, right, left. Even for you can use the no border option. Then sometime you have to make all border, just select a specific table or range and then make it all border. So border is especially when you are designing the spreadsheet, border is actually it make your worksheet most actually more aesthetic. Then see, if you, so here it is all border means every cell actually on the border. If I use the outside border, then the whole outside will be the border, will be bordered. Then thick outside border, so our border will be it will be outside, but uh, the border will be more thick. Then double bottom border, which we use in the accounting, thick bottom border. Okay, so here you can see the different example. So just check it at your home. And now we have some more option. There is draw border. So you will see a pen and you can use it for drawing the border. And here border grid, who is actually for all border. So it's, you will see a pen and it will make different border. It will, so you can use it sometime when you need to actually you need to make border after a few minutes or okay. Then here you can see the erase, that is for what, that is for unbordering. So this is your border will bordered place will be borderless. Then you can use the line color, so border line become colorful. And here you can see the different style. So in next, after one or two class, you will see the use of it. I'm just showing it. Okay, so this is about border. We use border every time, as well as you will use this border especially for making a table or for developing any model, spreadsheet based model. Now come to the another point, that is by, if you click here, then you can say window. Okay, so see here, when I click from here, the by default it will show the font. Okay, so here you can see the font, different font. Then it is the style, it is the size. Then whether it will be our underline or single underline, double underline, or for single accounting or double accounting. This is the color. Okay, and this is superscript, subscript. For example, you are selecting this specific place. Okay, so now what you can do, just click here. See, you are selecting the font for this specific place. So I just selecting the font and making it bold. Then it will be, size will be italic. Then no outline, color will be uh, right. Okay, so and so what you do or what you select, you will show the preview of it. When you are selecting the what uh, Okay, just click it again. When you're selecting any font, it will show the preview. When you're selecting a font style or font size, so you'll show the preview of it. So we will use this thing extensively in after a few classes. Okay, so what are the options? Option one is from here. By option one is you may use the command, and then from clicking here from the window, as well as from the mini ribbon or mini toolbar. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.